Hello. We're going to learn how to use this progress tracking tool. This is a way for you to kind of be in a competition with yourself because your goal is to get better and better every single time. So this is going to be something that you do at home when you look at your graded papers that come home usually on Tuesdays. The one thing that we'll have to do is get one good week of scores written down because your goal is to grow each time, so we have to have a set of scores to grow from. So we're going to pretend that you came home and you wrote your scores for writing, how many words you read, your dojo percentage, your spelling test score, and a math paper score. And we're going to pretend that it's the next week. So last week I got an 8 on my writing, but guess what? This week I got a 9. Since that number is growing, that's better, I get to color this 9 box green. Okay. Last week I read 54 words a minute. This week I read 60. Again, that number grew, so I get to color that 60 box green. Now, my dojo percentage was 100 last week, and guess what? It was 100 again this week. Even though that's not growing, that is the best score you can get. So if it's the best score you can get, you can still color that green. So I'll write 100 and color that score green. Okay. All right. Last week, I scored an 8 on my spelling test, and this week I still got an 8. I got an 8 again. Since that score is the same, I'm going to color that box yellow. All right, last one. Last week I got a 10 on my math. This week I got a 9. Man, you're going to color that one red. Red means I need to keep working that in that area to make sure that I'm getting better. Since my score went down, I will color that one red. Your goal every week is to beat your scores from the last week. Or if you had the best score that you could get, your goal is to keep that. So the next week, if I got a 9 on my spelling test, I would write 9 and I would color that green because that's better. I'm growing. And that's the goal. We want to always be growing, even if it's just a little bit. This is a fun way for you to be in a contest with yourself to make sure you're doing your very best work.